Hey guys, this is Lisa with Great Ideas Design Style, coming to you with a brand new video. Today I will be sharing with you my guest bathroom. I should say my other guest bathroom. I've already shared with you my wedding themed bathroom. Well, today I will be giving you a tour of my fall beach themed bathroom. No, I didn't decorate it for the fall. It's always been fall colors. As you guys know, I'm a girl that likes color. Color is my thing. And I'm sure you've never seen a fall beach themed bathroom. On today, you will be able to see that. Normally for beach, it's like the light blue, ivory, tan. And I just came up with a fall theme. So before we get started, please comment, like, and subscribe. Please hit your notification bell button so anytime I put out a video, you will be alerted. Also, if you have not gone to watch my video of my the finalization of my revamped kitchen, please be sure to go and watch that video. It's out there for you to watch. I hope you enjoy what you see. And please give me a big thumbs up if you like what you see here on today. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into that video. Okay, beginning with the flooring, I chose this tile flooring. It has a lot of movement in it and variation. It's kind of like a light tan color. And I liked it because of the variations in the floor. It brings a lot of interest and movement. Okay, here's the bathroom cabinet. And it's the same color as my wedding theme bathroom. Actually, we painted all of our bathrooms. We have 3 full bathrooms, and you have not seen the ensuite bathroom for the master bedroom yet. But that will be coming soon. But we painted this cabinet a lovely dark chocolate brown and put the crystal knobs on the cabinet. And so this is what it looks like. Okay, now going to the sink area. It's a regular sink, like an ivory tone sink area, which is a nice color. It also has some movement in it as well. We never changed out these sinks. I'm pleased with the sinks, but we did change out the faucet, which is that lovely dark bronze color. And here's my soap dispenser. It's a nice, beautiful light gold color, along with my paper towel holder. And as you can see, the light switches have been spray painted as well, just to go with the tone of the color in the bathroom. So as I'm showing you the medicine cabinet, let me give you a sneak peek of what it looks like inside. I use these season holders that you put seasoning in or hold your seasoning with to organize my cabinet on the inside. And it organizes it very well, as you can see. Okay. And here is the mirror, and you can see how large this mirror is. Let me focus. You can see how large this mirror is. It's just like the one in the wedding theme bathroom. I had my husband to build a frame so that the mirror wouldn't look so plain, and to give it some character, I had him to build a frame around this mirror, give it a nice gold color. Okay, on top of this sink area is this beautiful jar. Now, it was all glass. I had my husband to spray paint the top, which is the lid, and he also spray painted the bottom, just to make the jar like a two-tone color. Actually, it looks like a genie bottle. That's what it reminds me of. It reminds me of a genie bottle. And then I added the orange colored ribbon along with some rhinestone, some dark brown rhinestone adhesive. Now, I chose these colors because it's like a burnt orange, and I really like this color, and it works well in this restroom. And my husband made this flower arrangement to go into the restroom. I found an orange colored flower, and as you can see, it has the little pearls, a little rhinestone piece on the top. Also in the jar, you see the seashells along with large pearls, just to give it that beach theme feel. Okay, going over to the shower, I added another curtain panel. It's a lovely burnt orange curtain panel, and I found the round pieces. I forget what they're called, but they were like wooden pieces that you can use with curtains. So I decided to purchase 2 of them and add it on with the curtain panel. As I stated in my wedding themed bathroom, I don't like shower curtains, but I figured I'd dress up the shower area with a curtain panel. And you can see my lovely polka dot ribbon with a seashell and some pearls that I created and placed on it to hold the curtain panel back. And it's simply just nailed to the ceiling. To hold the curtain. Again, we have this lovely gold glass shower door that I had installed when we moved here. And this shower door actually has a print of a swan in water. I didn't want the glass door to be plain. I wanted something engraved on it just to give it interest and character. My toilet area, of course. I don't like naked toilets, so I always keep my toilets covered. And I also use the theme color within the room, or decor color within the room. I just don't like looking at a white toilet. I like to cover my toilets. I'm a color girl, I like color. I always keep a plunger in each restroom, just in case somebody needs to use it. They don't have to be opening up the door and say, oh, do you have a plunger or anything of that nature? It's good to keep a plunger in your restroom anytime you have guests and other people within your home that have to use the restroom. Down on the floor, I have this little waste paper basket, which matches my soap dispenser. I forgot where I believe I found it at Ross years ago. And then across from the toilet area, I have these beautiful towels that I purchased from Bed Bath & Beyond years ago. And as you can see, I created some bows, the polka dot bows, along with the pearls. To help give it that beach theme. And these colors that you actually see, I chose these colors to paint the exterior of our home when we needed to paint our house. So these colors complement each other well, and people were shocked when they saw the exterior of our house. We had people standing outdoors out in front of our house just staring at the house because of the color combination. And I will share a video with you all of the exterior of our home and what it looks like. Up above the towels, I have this setup. I have these little glass jars that are screwed to the wall. I just put a little sand and shells and pearls and candles on the inside. And up top, I have a shell candle holder. And I took this towel and added some tassels in the center of it, because this is an actual like curtain holder, that you can use for a panel to hold a curtain. But I used it, I put this sconce on a wall and decided to put a towel through with some tassels and decorated it with shells. Okay, next to the towels is this lovely wall decor piece. You guys know I love to use wall decor pieces. So I took the time to put this wall decor piece that goes all the way down to add even more interest to the wall which holds my towels. So this is what it looks like. Then on the back of the door, I went to the Container Store and found this self-adhesive hook to match the colors that are in this restroom. And so it's easy to take off. It's like one of those adhesive where you just pull a strip and it won't damage your wall. So before I end this video, let me give you guys a quick tour of the overall look of the restroom. Wait a minute, before that tour, here's the lighting. It's like a brown bronze lighting with two lights. It gives off a lot of light in this restroom. So now here's an overall tour of this restroom. Okay, before I end this video, I hope you all have loved what you've seen here. If you have, please give me a big thumbs up. And I will be coming back with another video soon regarding some home decor updates, which I'm excited to share with you all. So look forward to that video. And until then, you all have a blessed day.